Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you make group chat on iPhone. So at first you need to just go to your settings and turn on some options. So go to settings and scroll down for messages. Here you can see this option iMessage, just turn it on. Now there is option which is called group message. If you have the option, just turn it on, and if you don't have it, it is already turned on. Now go back and go to your messages. Now click the top right, this icon here, and just click on this plus icon and select multiple contacts from here. By only selecting multiple contacts, you can just make a group chat in iPhone. And after that, here you can see in text messages, just type something. Now here you can see there is a green arrow icon. By clicking it, the group will be created. So guys, that's how you can make a group in iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.